Hello everyone, welcome to my UK services. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your original taste palm nut soup, Abenkwan. And this is the ingredients you need for your Abenkwan. Please, let's start. Cook your garden eggs. That is going to sour. You add your fresh pepper. You add the tomatoes, but tomatoes don't add too much. Don't use too much tomatoes. And you cut your onions. Onions, I'm using one. Add water. And set your fire on and let it boil until soft. Cover it. And you are going to blend this one. Cut your ginger into pieces. Cut the onions. Use half because you are going to chop the other half. So use the half and add it to ginger and garlic and blend it. Add water. And blend until smooth. Chop half the onions. You see, this is the half onions I left, so chop it. Put the meat into the deep saucepan. Add your Maggi. I'm using 1.5 Maggi. It depends how much you want. Add your chopped onions and add salt. But remember, salt don't add too much. Don't use too much salt to steam your meat. Don't use too much salt. And add the blended ginger tea to it. Use water to wash your blender and add it to it. Add Kako and your Momoni salted fish you add to it. And cover it, let it steam for 10 minutes. And this also is ready, so remove it and blend it until smooth. Add water and blend until smooth. But that water, you take it, don't throw it away. You see how it looks? And you are going to mix your palm nut cream or palm nut fruit with those things. You blend it now. Use hot water to wash inside the tin. And you see, I like this Abenkwan. I like it. So if you have some in your country, you can use that one. It's very nice. It tastes very nice. And you add the blended tomato things to it. That one. Like my Facebook page. Follow my Facebook page. And you add more water to mix it. Let it be light, not too hard. Please share my Facebook page for me. And you see how it looks. And you know why I'm making this? Because I want the juice or the fruit inside to come out good, and any bad thing inside will be dead before you add it to your soup. Yeah, after that you wash it and you cut it into pieces and you add it to your soup. Simple. It's very nice and it's healthy and you miss it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell there and like it. And add the mixed palm nut cream things. You mix it there, add that thing to it. You see how I did? And use small water to wash the bowl. And you add it to the soup. And mix it. Let everything mix nice like this. and let be boil for 25 to 30 minutes before you add your eggplant or mushroom, or if you like okra you can add that one. If you have something it's not too hard, you can add it in your fish, because if you add this to the meat is too hard than this one, so that it will be too soft and you cannot see the garden eggs or your mushroom inside. That's why you're supposed to let the meat cook, and when it's almost soft, you add those vegetables to it, or if you have fish you can add that one to it, and let be cook until garden eggs is soft. And if you want to serve, the soup is ready. Remove the palm nut oil on top. You should remove it before you can serve it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell there. Thanks for watching.